How to fix Reddit chat not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix Reddit chat not working. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First, you will need to make sure that you have a good internet connection. Sometimes when we think there is a problem with the app, it's just basically a problem with our network. So make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi, or if not, you can always use your mobile data. Make sure that you have a stable connection. After you've done that, you will then need to clear out the app's cache and data. To do that, head over to your settings. Let me go back here. After you're on your settings, search for general, then head over to iPhone storage. Now locate the Reddit app right here. So let's search for Reddit. There we go. Open this up and there you should find an offload app option. Tap on offload app and then confirm the offloading. After you've offloaded it, you will see a reinstall app option instead of offload app. Tap on it to reinstall the app. When you reinstall it, the cache of that app will have been cleared and you can then start using the app again. If that doesn't work, the final solution is heading over to your App Store. Search for App Store and open it up. In App Store, search for Reddit and open Reddit up. Let's let this load. And after you find Reddit, you might have to just tap on it, and if you see an update button, instead of open, tap on update and then update the app, which will fix any bug issues or technical glitches that your app might be facing. And that's how you fix Reddit chat not working. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.